Welcome to Zaj DIYs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a makeup glam tray. The makeup glam tray is one that's seen on most of the makeup glam mirrors that's become popular. The supplies you'll need will be a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, scissors, and bling roll. You can find these at Michael's or Walmart. Step 1, for making your tray, you will need to measure the bling alongside the tray. Then you will cut your bling into strips. After you've cut all your strips for every part of the tray that you want to bling out, then you'll just use the glue gun to simply apply it to the part of the tray. Then you will continue to bling out the tray using the hot glue gun and pressing firmly until you have the whole thing covered like as above. You can do different designs and you can do it how you want to. If you notice, I've left out the back side. I did not bling that out because that is the side that I am going to glue to the mirror. Again, thank you for watching Zaj DIYs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.